this video we will configure the application Wayfinding, which lets you configure an interactive floor plan for trade shows, museums and other events. You can configure everything you want in this application to fit your needs, but in this video we will focus on adding a new vendor location and adding some information to that vendor. Open the application settings of Wayfinding by clicking Applications and then selecting Wayfinding. Note that I'm only showing the basic settings of this application. In order to show the advanced features, click this button at the top of the configurator. Click on the Vendor submenu. In order to add a new vendor on our floor plan, let's click the button Edit Floor Plan. The floor plan is now zoomed in, so let's scale it down a bit by clicking the Zoom button at the top left corner of the screen. We can see the entire floor plan now. Let's click Add Vendor. Now you can type in the name of the vendor you want to add. Let's call this vendor OmniVision. In the next input field, you can enter the booth name or number, but let's first define where we want our booth to be. We can draw a custom shape by clicking this button. Now click somewhere on the floor plan to start drawing. With each click, a new corner will be drawn. When the shape is finished, press S on the keyboard or click the button again to stop drawing. We have drawn on booth number 102, so let's enter 102 into our vendor booth ID input field. Click this button to finish adding the location of our vendor. Click it again to go back to the configurator. The new vendor has been added to the list. Click the plus sign to start adding information to this vendor. Enter the web address to add a link. In this case, this will be omnivision.nl. So type in www.omnivision.nl. Enter an email address and description to finish adding information to this vendor. Finally, let's select a logo by clicking Browse, navigating to the location of the logo image file on your computer, and clicking Open. Do the same for the image you want displayed for your vendor. Now we are ready to take a look at this new vendor on our floor plan. Press Save to save our changes, and then press Run to test our configuration. If we click on our newly added booth, we can see the information for this vendor. Click on Show Direction to see the way to go to this booth. Press the plus sign at this window to show the additional information and images we have configured for this vendor.